Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 18th of July, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Bach is a Danish company that manufactures nacelle covers and other components for wind turbines. They have a factory in Pensacola, Florida that currently employs about 240 people. They are pausing expansion plans and scaling back expected hiring after the passage of the sweeping federal energy bill that rolls back long-term support for the clean energy industry. Manufacturing tax credits helped drive more than $70 million in investment at GE Vernova's nacelle plant in Pensacola since 2023. An additional $5 million was committed by Bach in their own operations to support GE Vernova. The New York State Public Service Commission has terminated its offshore wind transmission planning process due to stalled federal permitting. This halts the public policy transmission need process of seeking proposals to deliver up to 8 gigawatts of offshore wind power into New York City by 2033. The commission cited recent federal actions halting new offshore wind leasing and permitting, which it said make short-term project execution unfeasible. On Monday, the 21st of July, Panama's President José Raúl Mulino will announce the country's first annual electric tender schedule. The move seeks to attract investments of more than $1 billion to diversify the energy matrix and offer more consumer-friendly cap prices. The auction format will include prices which are higher than current prices, while still giving the system greater competitiveness and efficiency. Judicial reform continues to paralyze renewable energy investments in Mexico. The recent election of judges and the change in legal procedures for dispute resolution has generated significant doubts within the industry about legal certainty for investments in clean energy. Energy investment decisions are highly regulated activities and ultimately fall heavily on the judicial apparatus to define the viability of projects and public-private linkage. Tax credits, which previously helped drive millions of federal dollars into West Virginia's growing clean energy economy, are poised to go away. Without them, the state stands to lose nearly 10,500 jobs by 2030. Since the Inflation Reduction Act was passed, over $5 billion of investment and more than 5,000 jobs have been announced in West Virginia's growing clean energy and transportation sector. Most of that is poised to be wiped out with the newly passed tax and budget bill, which guts the investment tax credits, production tax credits, and manufacturing tax credits. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.